Say hello to the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 5, the 11th generation of Kindles. This one goes a step further. This one is the Signature Edition, 32 gigs onboard storage and built-in wireless charging. The first e-reader ever to have wireless charging built in. You can see a ton of different languages on the box, and Amazon is taking a more minimalist approach to its packaging. Here is the box itself. We're going to crack this open on camera for you guys. We have never opened the Signature Edition yet. We've had a lot of stuff on the docket recently, and we've been fairly busy. Now, my personal concern with this is that it's super flimsy. More so flimsy than the last generation, now that they're going with a little bit less material packaging and more recyclable goods. Don't get me wrong, recyclable goods is great. In fact, the device itself uses a lot of recyclable components too, like magnesium, etc. But it does mean that your device is going to be less protected, because this is really just up against the top of the cardboard here. So let's put this off to the side just for a second and let's explore the rest of the unit here. You get a USB cable, USB-C, and all of your information in here. You'll get your warranty guide, and right here, Signature Edition, and you will get your information card, what it all does, how to put it down on the wireless keypad, or Qi, whatever way you want to pronounce it, and it looks like they have put the sensor in the middle. And why I say that is because if you want to use a universal pad rather than an Amazon official pad, you'll have to know where the actual receptor is. For example, some smartphones have it at the bottom to put in a dock. Some smartphones put it up on the top. It does feel like they're putting it in the center, and in the full review we will put this on a wireless charger to show you how that all works. So let's look at the device itself. It's pretty much identical to the Paperwhite 5, except this one has the wireless charger inside, and it does have 32 gigs on board. You still have the power button, the USB, and the status indicator with nothing on either of any of the sides. You also have the little smile embossed in the back plastic. It is a back hard rubber plastic, no metal or anything like that on the outside, and a flush screen and bezel on top. They have confirmed that they indeed are using the Carta 1200 HD screen technology. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Paperwhite 5 Signature Edition. This is the latest release Amazon, and this is pretty much the last release from a major manufacturer till the end of the year. Follow Goody Reader at goodyreader.com. Follow me at Toge Trial. If you have any comments, leave them down below. And everyone, for an unboxing, this is Peter.